Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 2024 Nissan Altima, and I will show you which fuse to check in case your windshield washers are not working. This video will apply to 6th generation of Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, there is one fuse you can try checking, and that's the fuse responsible for power to windshield washer pump. That fuse will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, under this black cover. To remove the cover, you just want to pry it out. You can use like a small key, small flat screwdriver, or anything else you might have handy. On the back side, there is a small fuse diagram, and here you will have access to all of the fuses. This black piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove the fuse. And the fuse you want to check will be this bottom right fuse, 10 amp red fuse. And this is, like I said, the fuse responsible for power to windshield washer pump. In case this fuse is good, then you want to test the washer's switch. You want to inspect the lines towards the nozzles. You want to check the nozzles as well, and then you want to check the wiring and the pump in the end. But this is the easiest thing to check, and if you're lucky, you will just replace the fuse and that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.